we going? Are we going right now? I do not want breakfast. I want to go to the market. Right now. Immediately.
Yes, Leo. We are going. Eat your breakfast first, then we go.
Leo, eat your breakfast. The market will still be there in 10 minutes.
But what if it is not? What if the market finishes before we get there?
The market starts at 8 in the morning and finishes at 2 in the afternoon. It is currently 7:45.
7:45. Okay. I will eat very fast. Watch me.
Leo, slow down. You will not enjoy your breakfast if you eat so fast.
I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it very fast.
Sarah, he has a point. Can you enjoy something quickly? That is an interesting question.
Daniel, do not encourage him. Finish your coffee. We leave in 5 minutes.
5 minutes. I am ready. I have been ready since yesterday.
Since yesterday? Oh, that is very dedicated, Leo.
Okay, the shopping list. We need carrots, tomatoes, honey, and bread. That is the plan.
I know what carrots look like. They are orange and long, and you can eat them.
That is correct.
Yum.
Good.
Good.
You can help us find them at the market.
I am the carrot finder. That is my job today. I am very good at this already.
Good. Now, bags. Tote bags. We need the tote bags. Where are they?
I have one. Here. A green one and a blue one. Which do you want?
I want the green one. Green is the color of vegetables. It makes sense.
Okay, we are ready. Let us go. Everyone in the car.
Are we going fast? How long does it take? Is it far?
It takes 8 minutes. It is not far. And yes, we are going the normal speed.
What is a farmer's market exactly? Is it a market for farmers? Or is it a market by farmers?
It is a market by farmers. Farmers grow the food and then they sell it directly to us.
So the person who grows the carrot is also the person who sells me the carrot. That is very efficient. Fresh means it was picked recently, not last week, not last month. Recently.
Perfect definition, Leo. Are you ready to practice your English at the market today?
I am always ready to practice my English. Hello. Good morning. I would like some carrots, please.
Here we are, the farmer's market. Look at it. It is beautiful.
It is so big, and it smells so good. What is that smell? It is amazing.
That is the smell of fresh bread and flowers and fresh vegetables all together.
Okay, let us walk in.
Stay together.
We go to the vegetable stalls first.
Look at all the colors. Red and green and orange and purple. It is like a rainbow.
The market has many colors because it has many different fruits and vegetables. Each one has its own color.
Tomatoes are red. Carrots are orange. Courgettes are green. I know the vegetables.
Very good. Now, our first stop is the vegetable stall. It is just ahead on the left.
I can see the carrots already. Orange. Over there. I found them. I found the carrots.
Good morning. Welcome. Are you looking for something special today?
Good morning. My name is Leo. I am looking for carrots. I am the carrot finder.
A carrot finder. Perfect. I have the best carrots at the whole market, right here. Look at these.
Those are very orange and very long. Those are excellent carrots. We will take them.
Excuse me, how much are the carrots, please?
The carrots are £1.50 for a bundle. Very good price, very fresh from this morning.
£1.50. That means £1.50. I understand money.
We will take one bundle, please. And can I also have some tomatoes?
Of course. The tomatoes are beautiful today. Very red, very ripe. How many would you like?
6 tomatoes, please. We need them for a salad tonight.
A salad? I like salad, especially with carrots in it,
Which we now have.
because I found them.
Thank you so much. Your vegetables are beautiful.
Thank you. Goodbye. Your carrots are excellent. I will tell everyone.
Good. Carrots, Sabines?
Right.
Done. Tomatoes? Done. Done. Now we need the honey.
What is honey exactly? I know it is sweet. But where does it come from?
Honey comes from bees. Bees collect nectar from flowers. Then they make it into honey inside the beehive.
So bees work very hard, and we eat the result of their work. We should say thank you to the bees.
Here is the honey stall. Look at all the different jars. Each one is a different type of honey.
They are all golden. All of them. Different gold, but all golden. It is beautiful.
Good morning again. Would you like to taste the honey before you choose?
You are the same lady from the carrots. You sell carrots and honey? That is very impressive.
I grow the vegetables on my farm. And I keep the bees too. So yes, Vess, carrots and honey, both from the same farm.
Can I taste the honey, please? I would like to taste it before we decide. Like a professional.
Of course. Here, this is the wildflower honey. It is our most popular one. Tell me what you think.
Oh, that is the best thing I have ever tasted. Leo,
What do we say when someone gives us something to taste?
thank you very much, Rosa. That honey is extraordinary. You should be very proud of your bees.
We will take a jar of the wildflower honey, please. A large one.
Last stop, the bread stall. Fresh bread to go with tonight's salad and honey.
It smells incredible. My nose says this is the best smell of the whole market.
Good morning. We would like 1 sourdough loaf, please.
Dad, can I carry the bread? I already have the carrots. I can carry both. I am strong.
You can carry the bread, but be careful. It is still warm.
It is warm, and it is soft, and it is heavy. This bread is excellent. I can feel it.
We have everything on the list. Carrots, tomatoes, honey, bread, all done.
Wait, can we walk around a little more? I want to see more things. The market is so interesting.
10 minutes. We walk for 10 more minutes. Then we go home. Deal?
Deal. 10 minutes. I will use every single second. man is making music with vegetables. Real vegetables.
A vegetable musician. I have never seen this before. This is wonderful.
You can make music from vegetables. So vegetables are food and instruments. Vegetables are amazing.
That is correct. Some people make instruments from vegetables. It is called vegetable music.
Vegetable music. I will remember that word forever. Vegetable music.
10 minutes done. Time to go home. Did you enjoy the market, Leo?
I enjoyed it very much. I learned about carrots and honey and fresh vegetables and vegetable music. It was educational.
A good morning, fresh food, fresh air, and a new word. Vegetable music.
Hey, are you learning English? Come to the farmer's market with us next time. And subscribe!